What is up, guys? Austin with 4R Customs here to show you how to install the new Stark Series taillights on your 3rd Gen 4Runner. A simple mod that transforms the rear end of your rig. Without any further ado, let's get right to it. So our first step to getting these taillights uninstalled is we're going to take off these two 10mm bolts, and then we're going to push the taillight out to just pop out the two clips that are on the inside. Now we're just going to let this sit here while we get our interior panels out. Now you're going to take your Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to have two screws, one up here, one down here. We'll go ahead and take those off. And now we're just going to pop this panel off, and then this panel we're going to pop out. And now we're able to pry this panel back and get access to our taillight harness here, which we're going to go ahead and unclip. And then there's a 10mm bolt right there that we'll use a crescent to get that off, and that's just holding our ground on. And now we have a little bit of tape holding this together right there. So we're just going to take our blade and just cut this tape. And now with those three things taken off, all we have to do, pull this taillight out, pop off this grommet, and the OEM light's out. And then we took our harness off of our OEM taillight. I just made a little cut in there to make it easier to get off. Now we're going to take this, we're going to feed it onto our new taillight. Just feed these wires through. And pop that little grommet back in. Now we're just going to take this taillight, pop these two clips in on the side, and then take our 10mm bolts and cinch it back down. Now we're going to take our 10mm bolt, feed it through this ground here, and we're just going to thread it back in. And now it's just time to plug in our harness. Now we're just going to wrap this all back up and then put it back together. So now it's time to get our panels back together. We're going to pop this piece back in, just like so. We're going to get our two Phillips bits. The shorter one is going to go up top and the longer one's going to go down in the base. And just like that, we got our taillight installed. Now I'm not going to bore you guys with making you watch us do the entire other side, so you're just going to repeat that same process. And now all we got left to do is pull this cover off and test them out. And just like that, we got the new Stark Series taillights installed on this 3rd Gen 4Runner. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like and subscribe to follow along for more content. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, we'll see you out in the trails.